Demands have been given. Aha, okay, fine.
So we can 17 to raise double with one additional.
You know. Do you have a wife? Then two. Alright, you got the answer.
Damn, bro. Point 1 HP. Check. Check. Nathan.
What check?
You're
Patch.
good.
You want patch, huh? Take my check, bitch.
Patch.
Bro, can't you not see? I'm the Captain Lucifer of Spec Ops.
Bro, patch.
You know?
Patch.
And you know who I am?
Huh? You fucking
Hello.
asshole.
Patch.
I'll give you to respond to the latest global SF.
Bro, who is this crying for?
Maximum unit at the global.
Patch him, bro. Who is saying?
Non double da.
What happened? What happened?
I don't have food, bro. I have one food.
Hey, hello.
Where are you? Thank you so much.
This drone getting Dora.
Ah, bruh, yeah, bruh.
Okay,
Please, you want Marlo ji?
Okay, he go my ID.
You want Marlo ji?
Hey, Nathan. Hey, Nathan. I have your report.
Huh? Report, fuck my report, man. NG disbanded, fuck you.
Respond to the latest global
Bro,
SF.
Captain Lucifer doesn't need medical
You
attention.
maximum unit at the global. Don't you?
Nah, bro, Captain Lucifer doesn't need medical attention. Nah, hell nah.
Where to come fast?
NG disbanded.
Blazing, where to come? Okay, sorry. Okay, Blazing.
You have one vest.
Who did cuff? Who the fuck cuffed me? Hey, uncuff me, Durgesh. Wait. Who the hell?
You're
is
not
cuffing me?
cuffed. Okay, wait, let me uncuff you.
I am. See, I can't run.
Wait. Okay, I'm gonna uncuff you.
Alright, yeah. Let me see who cuffed me.
Hey Nathan, how is our pay? Are you Tikito?
No. Sniper is not available.
Hey, I think we need 4 units at the roof. You know, they are only 3 at the roof.
Sarah, we'll go from backside. Sarah, we'll go from backside. Come and sit in my car.
Fuck. क्या किल लगता है?
What? Sniper? Hey!
I want 4 to 5 units come to the local.
Bro! Ten information.
Yeah, come follow me.
Bunny, get a cover. Bunny, get a cover.
Why you are feeling? We are outside the
See,
parameter.
they already see you. I think we will push from their back and
Yeah.
secretly.
FRB, can you call more units?
Aryan, don't spam. You can feel resistance logs.
We need more unit at roof.
Guys, we need more units at the roof, guys. We need to push from the back also.
Bunny, hello.
Hmm.
This person is spamming, bro. Aryan
Leave,
hyper.
leave him.
Come here.
Aryan, stop it right now. Aryan, don't spam in the radio, Aryan. Hey,
Shut the fuck up, Aryan.
where is that FIB?
They are on the ground.
Oh, fuck, man.
Aryan, your mental health is okay or not?
Guys, I want maximum units. Please come to the roof. We need more units from the roof.
Everyone, enter. Don't shoot from here.